Hey, it's Deb. Once again, I'm going out on my snowshoes. My uncle's placing the Poconos. We got about 3 feet of snow here. Stepping in my footprints from yesterday, and I'm going to be collecting bird feeders so the bears don't get them while Uncle's gone for the week. We'll get around the back here and you'll see what it really looks like. My shoe tracks are right here. You could probably see them behind me from yesterday. And here's a view of the field, Uncle's field behind me. It's absolutely very beautiful, and I'm the only one who's been on it. So I'm just going to walk here and just get to experience this with me. Oh, I also want to show you these incredible icicles on the house that I can't stop looking at. Just absolutely gorgeous. Big and long and just beautiful. Alright, I'm going around. There we go. I'm going to collect the far bird feeder first, and then get over here and collect this bird feeder next to the house. Okay, so coming around, you can see there's more icicles. A lot easier to walk in this today than it was yesterday for some reason. Oh, so I got to get myself up onto this deck, climb up here. Shouldn't be too bad. Just follow my tracks. Okay. Alright. Here's bird feeder number 1. Now I'm up on the deck. You can see just how high the snow is. I'm way above the windows and the door here. I'd say there's probably 3 feet. Alright, now I'm going back to get the other bird feeder. Back down this little hill I made for myself. I don't know if you can see my snowshoes. Probably not. Coming around past the icicles. Ah, gorgeous out. Take a look at the field again. Alright, here I am. The second bird feeder. Got it. Making my way back in front of the house where I'm going to drop these off. And then we'll take a walk down out through the field. And get to see the vast size of Uncle's empire. 35 acres, I believe it is.